In this video, I'm going to discuss with you how to choose the right platform to build your website. Look, there are plenty of website building platforms and website builders around the market. Say, for example, WordPress, Drupal, Wix, Joomla, and so on. You can also learn coding and kind of code your website from scratch, but I don't usually recommend it as one. It just takes a heck lot of time to learn and write codes, and two, for beginners, the end result is mediocre at best. This is because it takes time to practice and execute writing good codes. In 2018, WordPress platform had a share of 51% as compared to Wix, which had 7% of share, as compared to Joomla, which had 4%, and Weebly, which had 2% of share in the market. So the question that arises is why most people choose WordPress to build their website. The answer lies in the fact that unlike website builders, WordPress.org is completely free and it is the easiest platform that experts mention that they have ever worked with. But at the same time, it's flexible enough to suit everyone, be it the small business websites, online shops, bigger organizations, and so on. If you compare WordPress and HTML coding, then it is worth to mention that learning HTML from scratch takes 6 months, let alone CSS and PHP. Having a basic knowledge of HTML can help you learn things more quickly, but if you want to create a website within a day or two, learning HTML isn't the viable option. So, knowing these all, we'll go ahead and learn how to create our first WordPress website in a day.